This is for you to do the blood test. You know, so I don't really know the price of it. So she's saying this is $11,000. It's the right amount. See there, 11,000. 11. And her name is Dance from the UK.
Dance from the UK.
Dance from UK.
Yeah.
Thank you very much, Miss Dance from the UK. I appreciate what you do for me.
Yeah.
God bless you.
Alright then, well said. So give thanks, you know, representing Caribbean. So from Bermuda, you have Blossom. We have $20,000 for you towards your work. You need to be done in your place.
Thanks.
Accounting.
Yeah.
Yeah, so
Thanks, Miss Blossom from Bermuda. Thank you very much, Martin and Deborah from Canada. Really appreciate it. Many thanks to the blessing toward the mansion. As I say, you go and come at the mansion.
Of course.
So by them time when you're ready to come the mansion, we up and active.
Yeah.
So just go and stay safe.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A Kino. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry.
How we sang that? Oh.
Me hear them on TikTok follow.
Make up on TikTok. Come out on the road. Put it on TikTok. Follow me.
I'm gonna let you out of my hair. It's not the day that I met you. The day I thought forever. Say that you love me. But mama, whenever it's cold outside. Like when you walk on my life. When you walk on my life. I feel like a never time. Mama, why don't you come down and think that
Alright, you're not happy. Dream team. One team. Oh, they know it. Shams. 100. Mr. Winston.
Yeah,
Evening. How everything?
not too bad, you know.
Not too bad.
Yeah, me have life, you know.
That's the greatest.
Yeah.
You know, once you have life, there's hope. Yeah, once you got faith, you know, everything is possible.
True.
And them saying a life are the greatest, you know.
Yeah.
Cause that's the richness, you know. That's wealth. That's all the richness you have, life. Cause life comes with a lot of things.
Yeah.
Cause if you don't have life,
You don't have nothing.
you don't have nothing.
Gone.
So if you say you're richer, you don't have life.
You don't have nothing.
The money don't have no value.
You don't have no
Because
value.
you're not here to spend it, right?
True.
Yeah man, I'm kinda like that same, you know. Give thanks. That's something this year I work on.
No, you know, so I made it build long time. It's in my house, you know.
Oh,
And my house is there.
yeah.
So I take it out and carry it come here. But it can't hold in there, so. So
Yeah.
me give me that tight.
Oh, so you gotta wrap it back.
She a go do it. She a pay somebody to do it.
Okay. Hey. I wanna have the skills and the talent.
You go build something like this there.
Okay.
Same shape, same everything.
Yeah. And it's still strong thing. How many years I build this now?
Yeah, man. Only 45 years, man, I build it.
Still strong and firm, same way. You know, try. And that one you say you gotta put some,
I want to
yeah, wrap it, yeah, cover it. That one you gonna big, this can't go in the house. Oh, somebody you gotta cover it for.
We also copy this design, but I don't know how we are going to do it if we are going to do it.
Oh,
We are going to do it different from this.
oh, you're different from this.
Yeah, you can use the arm, we are going to use the arm still, you know, but the arm I will cut down
Okay.
shorter. Like the front arm,
Yeah, yeah.
I'll go shorter.
Yeah, man. And this is our 2-seater.
Yes, I can see that this.
Right, I say I have to build some of them money.
Yeah.
Right, you see the one where I come here build,
Yeah.
some home can't hold them.
Yeah.
So I go take a design from this and build some of them here.
2-seater them.
Yeah, well, you know, say more easier for going on.
More access, easy access. We can go inside.
You can hold now, you know, because it's smaller.
Yeah, yeah.
And the house for them have been nowadays some little house, you know.
Yeah,
They
yeah.
have build a big house like them, you know. And you have to take your money when you have and build a nice house.
Nice
You can
house.
hold something like that.
Yeah, because all them build the house back in the days, like certain of the furniture them can't go inside.
Then there's some 12 shilling, the house them were back then, a 12 shilling I call them.
Yeah, yeah.
So, the only thing the people them can do is add to it.
Yeah, true,
You
true.
see?
True,
So
true.
by adding to it, you now get no heap of space, because you don't know the space down limited already.
Limited already, yeah.
So them just add to it.
Let's try to expand,
Yeah.
make it a little bit,
Expand it.
make it a little bit bigger.
To
You
make yourself
understand?
comfortable.
Yeah, and they still firm, same everything, you know, it's still.
Only because the material me
I
old
just
and
I
thing.
just the material.
But once it cover over and thing,
Once you strip
you
it
know,
down,
I was believe
strip
say
it
I
down
don't
and
want
cover it.
to
Then you're not going to check as a brand new chair.
Yeah, yeah, for real. Trust.
Yeah, man, years we have in my house, man.
Years.
Yeah,
And I see it, me tell them, so we are going to do some design of this.
Yeah, for real. Cause this that kind of makes sense, you
Makes
know.
sense.
Like,
How much you know the arm
design
chair?
that on the market. I'm design this for myself.
okay.
When my boss come and see it, you know, he build about 4 sets of height, you know. Big chair like this and love seat and an armchair.
Yeah,
And the
yeah.
4 sets when build sell in
Sell.
no time. Yeah, people just sit and love it and buy.
Yeah, man, cause we have to go start, you know, introduce this type of work to some of the furniture store them
Furniture store them,
downtown,
yeah.
even the one where we buy from, we will make them
Yeah,
know about the
yeah.
business as well too. So,
But you
Is that
have to
good?
do it now. You have to, when you build it, you take a sample of it. Like the set,
yeah,
suppose you build this and 2 armchair. When you cover, you just take a sample of it and you show the store man them.
yeah, yeah.
And from there, so now, them you know if you tell yourself them want it
Or not,
And them
yeah.
gonna want it.
Them I
and
want
say
it, man.
no.
But of course, by the looks of it and the looks of Natisha one
Oh,
way
it's set.
Carlo already,
Yeah.
then definitely they want it
Only thing I try and have the space it, because
to store them.
yeah, we have some we make already, you know. We have about 3 sets we make. Not fully covered now, not yet. We have
stool
we
one,
cover.
so ready.
Stool one, so ready. Because spring and pad them up
Yeah,
and I cover them, but true from what they be a rain.
Yeah,
and I have
yeah.
no storage here. So may I take time, get rid of
Yeah.
stool one and then just, you know,
do the rest.
do the rest.
Yeah, it's a great
So
look.
may have to do it for now.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
I have some big set down there, I have some
Big and
big
this.
chair down there like this. Not like this, different design
Different
from this
design.
thing. But I see them length, love seat, and sofa,
Yeah,
and
yeah.
the armchair. And
Oh,
some of
okay.
them with 2 armchair and sofa seat.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Carry 3 cushion night.
Yeah, true. I understand.
You
Oh,
go run the place, man.
yeah, man, it will go on, man.
You go run.
Cause definitely still it will go on. But come check up on me have some donation for you as well too. Towards your medical, cause the last video we do,
Yeah.
people them kinda understand and hear your story.
Yeah.
I understand the condition where you go through. you know, some kind of send some donation towards the aid where you can help out a situation. You know, so I'll give some donation when we get from some donors where you can help out the medical and as well too. So
I'm there for a doctor tomorrow too, you know.
I got a doctor tomorrow.
Yeah.
See there, so I'm done before the right time though. I'm the time of the master, you know. So you come like say,
time of everything.
Father can say me the right time.
Yeah, man.
Right time. Yeah, so Winston, we have $5,000 from Stacy from the UK towards the medical. So here, this is 5,000 from Stacy from the UK.
Thanks, Stacy from UK.
Yeah.
Thank you for what you do for me. God bless you.
Yeah, alright then, give thanks. So that's give thanks Stacy from the UK for the donation towards Carl's dad. And you also have this is from Dance. You got $11,000 from Dance from the UK as well too. She said this is for you to do the blood test. You know, so I don't really know the price of it. So she said this is $11,000. It's the right amount. See there, 11,000. 11. And her name is Dance from the UK.
Dance from the UK.
Dance from UK.
Yeah.
Thank you very much, Miss Dance from UK. I appreciate what you do for me.
Yeah.
God bless you.
Alright then, well said. So give thanks, Dance from the UK. God bless you. May your food basket never empty.
Never empty.
And we also have Carl and Denise.
Put this in the oven.
Yeah, so we also have Carl and Denise from the USA. So you see a name as Carl.
Yeah.
So that's Carl and Denise, $10,000.
And Denise. Regular donor to the thing.
Yeah.
I appreciate what you do for my dad and thing. 10,000.
Yeah.
Appreciate it, Carl and Denise. All heap of love.
Yeah. Carl and Denise.
Carl and Denise. Appreciate what you do for me. And God bless you.
Yeah. So give thanks, Carl and Denise, who's a regular donor to this program. And you also have Hamza from Baltimore, Maryland, $7,000 from Hamza.
7,000.
Yeah.
Hamza
From Baltimore.
From Baltimore.
Yeah,
Enough love,
Maryland.
whole heap of respect and appreciate, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hamza.
Hamza from Baltimore. Thank you very much. God bless you. What you do for me, appreciate it.
Yeah, every time. And you also have one sec. You have a lady from Cooper Street, $12,000 from lady from Cooper Street.
Lady from Cooper Street. Ladies from Cooper Street, respect and thanks for what you do for my dad. You know. Appreciate and whole heap of love.
Ladies from Cooper Street.
Yeah,
Thank
lady.
you very much for what you have done for me. And God bless you.
Okay. Yeah, so thank you so much, lady from Cooper Street. God bless you, and thank you for your donation towards Mr. Winston, which is Carl's stepdad. Yes, and you have $19,000 as well too from same Dance from the UK. This is 19,000 from Dance from the UK towards the medical.
Dance from the UK.
Yeah.
Whole heap of love and whole heap of thanks, you know. Yeah, man, I appreciate what you do for my dad still. Stepfather. I really need help.
Yeah.
I really appreciate all I know sending a token to you.
Yeah.
I really appreciate and thankful. See me, Dad? Tell
Yeah.
Dance.
Thank you very much, Dance
From the UK.
From the UK.
Yeah.
Thank you for what you have done for me. I appreciate it every time, and God bless you all.
Every time. So give thanks to all the donors. Then we'll reach out to Mr. Winston, who is called stepfather.
Yeah, man.
You know, a man is a friend in need, you know, of his medical. So we give thanks to all the donors. Them. God bless you all. Thank you for supporting this program and supporting Mr. Winston and his journey. So at least now, okay, I said tomorrow you go
Tomorrow I'm going to take the blood test and pick up some meditation at the same time.
Okay, so medication same time.
Yeah.
Alright, so you see nothing done before the time and
It's true.
at the right time I come.
The right time.
Right time, so at least you know that can help out.
That can help
And with the blood test.
a lot.
Yeah. So you know down the line you can also always keep me updated so we can keep the viewers them updated on what's going on, you know.
Yeah, I will do that.
So we can see what they can help out with the situation along the line. So because things can get better.
Yeah, man.
You know, with a little bit of help, things can get better.
Yeah.
So we'll definitely try our best and make it possible for things work out for you. Yeah, so let's go on with the faith, see you here and continue.
Thanks for what you do for me still. Thank you very much and God bless you.
Yeah, man, no problem, man. Alright, then blessings, yeah?
Yeah,
Yeah,
man.
man. Carl,
Yeah, man.
prefect.
As I say now, my donors, whole heap of respect, you know, whole heap of thanks for what I do for my stepfather, because to be frank, really need the help. Which you can see we are trying to help others and things. But just the time come now where we can put him to the light for to see what really happens still. So we respect it and thank you again. Enough love and stay safe, my donors.
Yeah.
Respect and thanks.
Every time. Yeah, man, give thanks. And according to the place as well, we say they want to help with, you know, so.
Top on the side.
Yeah, so we're gonna start doing a collection for that here because you know we have other work I deal with and we have scanner place, one deal scanner place. So anytime we can get the time now we can reach there, we can ask them if we can reach out for some blocks and cement we're gonna need and some zinc. So when the time right and the builder come around then we know what we really need. So we start try to focus now upon your medical and your health. You know, so everything will be much better there. I don't know, you know, health is better than wealth.
Definitely.
You understand?
Without the health, it don't make sense to have the wealth.
Yeah.
So health come first.
Of course. So we are trying to we can focus on the health, you know, and along the line we'll get this sort out for you when time. Yeah, when the time is right. Nothing will be time. I the master that. I will give thanks to the Almighty for make it possible. Same way and blessings to all the donors then, you know. So prayer goes out. So give thanks to all, for the support for Mr. Winston. Carl, until then, yeah, Mr. Winston?
Yeah, man.
Peace out my people and whole heap of love, respect. Again, thank you. Can't thank you enough. Because to be frank, see it, tomorrow I'm for go hospital. It just happened at the right time.
Right time.
So whole heap of love my donors. Whole heap of respect.
Every time. Give thanks.
God bless you all.
Yeah. Go inside. In the dark.
In the dark.
That step here. Hi, man. You feel drop off for the step then?
No.
So everything alright?
So far, give God thanks. But I'm being the rest of my day here. I give God the praise. Some people not live to see this morning. While me have life, there is hope.
Yeah. True. And once there I say, once there is life, there is hope. And once you believe there is, you never know. So I have to give thanks every time to the Almighty to make all this possible. See I go and put in the fight, see me, and still I go and try. And someone send a donation towards the condition. We say we can help out a little situation for you. So we always give thanks. So no matter how small it is. So you gonna work today?
Yeah, man, I go work today. Go and come back.
Coming back.
Up.
They'll be able to see the whole of your kids then, they're there.
Them all gone. Some are beer and some kind of them cousin.
Yeah, because as I say, you know, a couple people call me as well to answer them are gonna make things possible when time them get on them feet to try to help you. For them to say, yeah, try as a mother, you know. Yeah, try with the kids them see me and them kind of see the condition how you're living and them that want to give a helping hand. So as soon as things get better for them, they will definitely try and help. Share one of them.
Yeah, man.
What's she name? What your name? What's your name?
Tashika.
Tashika Russell. I'm never get to see the two baller name where you call out. What there? Ronaldo. Ronaldo. Come here, Ronaldo. Ronaldinho, where him there? Ronaldinho there. In my eye. Him shy, the camera then is in my eye. So she not shy.
No, the rest of them shy.
I said them shy. Them have a big ball on him too, you know, work, he can play football.
Yeah man, they can play football.
You know, can play football?
Yeah, they made that change for them school.
Okay.
Jumper down.
Oh, that's good. And, you know, sooner or later now the football field on a park we are work on, so the kids then can have a better playing field as well too. You know, we keep a little competition. Yeah, competition for them.
If you have woman football too.
Woman football?
Yeah.
We don't have a problem, we can do that, yeah. How we go play? You go play?
Yeah, Esther we play too.
Esther we play?
I'm baby.
You can play football?
Something like that.
Or you can play netball?
Can't play netball.
Can't play netball? Your mommy always try to play netball, man. But you know,
Our
me,
twin can play netball.
Our twin?
Yeah.
Where your twin there?
And football.
Them identical?
No. Blackie.
Where Blackie there?
She never come.
Them shy?
Yeah, them not shy alone we show. Rest of them not show, them shy. She not shy.
Them camera shy. Alright then, so we're not go to force them for coming at the video. Maybe in due time they will come and take the video like, you know?
Like them sister.
Like them sister. Cause she said video me.
Yeah, she said video.
So that needs me have $20,000 for you from Blossom from Bermuda. So this lady is from Bermuda, you know, so we give thanks for that donor there, you know, representing Caribbean. So from Bermuda, Blossom, we have $20,000 for you towards your work. You need to be done in your place.
Thanks.
Accounting.
Yeah.
So
Thanks, Miss Blossom from Bermuda. This is a big help. God bless you, keep you, shine His light upon you. Thanks.
Yeah, so blessings and give thanks, Miss Blossom, you know, all the way from Bermuda. Yeah, watch the video and see the condition and to try to reach out, you know, the best way that's possible. So it's a start, and you must know what I can do at the minute. You know, so just do the right thing and we just continue to get an update on what you do, so we can show them, so at least then you're doing this with the donation where you get. So the more help you will get, same way. Because once them see you try to help yourself, which is already I did, so better the support will come in. So we pray for you and hope for the best, because we see the struggle where you live, you know, and it's been a long time you've been living like that in that condition. So the prayers out and hope for the best.
Thanks.
Yeah.
And thanks to you, to Kino. Thanks to the dream team.
Yeah, no problem,
Thanks.
man.
God bless you.
Yeah, man. We give thanks to the Almighty. I make all of this possible, you know.
Okay.
So every time. So big up the donors, them. I don't know them play a major part in the movement, because without them, it would have been possible, you know. So Father God, reach out to them and then reach out to we.
Them mind.
Yeah. So we give thanks for that. Alright, and then so take care, yeah?
Yeah, man, thanks.
Must go on with the field.
Yeah, man.
Alright, then. Yo!
So them are, you know?
So them are
I'm ready for your video, like.
Yeah. Alright then. Prefect.
Yeah.
We have a package to arrive for you from the UK. This is from Miss Hope. Yeah.
So from
Chatham, UK.
Chatham, UK. Only for thanks, only for respect, you know. I appreciate it.
Yeah, so that's Miss Hope from Chatham. Send a little package for you.
Yeah. Thanks, Miss Hope.
She know your size, man.
That me I say.
She watch you all the time, so she know your size.
No, size.
That's for the prefect.
Thanks, Miss Hope. Only for love and only for respect, you know. Appreciate it.
Yeah.
Many thanks. But the food basket never empty, yeah.
Never empty.
Thanks, Miss Hope again.
Yeah. I give thanks every time. It's a blessing and give thanks, Miss Hope, you know, for sending the prefect these two nice lovely shorts. You know, blue and khaki. What a dream team color. You know, so I go on.
Yeah,
match the top.
Right, top, you know?
Yeah, match the top, prefect. Yeah, out and bad. Yeah, man, and I want I can go with the white.
Yeah.
She match you up, man. Yeah, man, thanks for your support, Miss Hope, you know, God bless you.
Yes.
And continue the support, and we give thanks every time, you know. Thanks for the consideration. For the prefect, you know, we go already then, you know.
Man.
Miss Hope, you know, she have a lot of faith and a lot of hope.
Yeah. Respect and thanks again.
Yeah. Alright then, big time. We have baby, so flash the camera upon her right away. Baby herself. Spragga, what that?
Cheers.
We have $10,000 from Martin from Canada. Martin and Deborah. You already know the name there because we're familiar with the name that we send with the shoes then.
Yes, man.
You know, every member get a shoes, so. And him say we must send $10,000 towards baby mansion because him say I come stay over when him come Jamaica, you know?
No problem.
So this is $10,000 from Martin and Deborah from Canada.
Thank you very much, Martin and Deborah from Canada. Really appreciate it. Many thanks to the blessing toward the mansion. As I say,
Yeah.
you go and come at the mansion.
Of course.
So by them time when they're ready to come the mansion, we up and active.
Yeah.
So just go and stay safe and bless up yourself. And may your food basket never empty.
Yeah.
Blessings.
Every time. So we give thanks Martin and Deborah, who's always a regular donor to this program from the start. And they're not finishing at any time soon, you know. So them get on the journey with us, I continue right through. I will give thanks and can't stop thank you for the shows them, you know.
Real.
Everybody.
Take a beat out of mine, you know, man.
Yeah. Neat though, neat.
You see it.
Oh.
Yeah, man.
Them a shot, man.
love feet.
No, him have taste, man. We give
Yes.
thanks, Martin, man. You know the style, man.
Yeah.
The mind through them say simple, them know, so you know the style, man. We give thanks to that, Martin, every time, man. Thank you for your support always, you know. God bless you and your wife and your family. Yeah. And another thing as well to him, just recover as well from the COVID, you know.
Yeah.
So our blessing goes out, Martin, because I didn't know, you never let me know that you have any COVID, so
Until I see it.
until me see it, you know. So boy, prayer goes out and I'm glad you survive, you know, and recover.
Still keep safe.
Yeah.
Stay strong, cause I know some monster disease, you know.
Yeah.
We take everybody we can get.
Yeah.
So my people, donors and
The viewers, them, all of them.
Just stay safe and just be safe.
Yeah,
Because
Martin.
that's the only thing we can do. Stay safe and be safe.
Of course. So
Yeah.
Martin,
Until this thing pass and go about business.
yeah, for real. Because Martin, we're glad that you're alright and everything is overcome, you know. You recover, you feel much better now, which is the greatest part of that.
We got in that event so we can ride through any storm.
Of course.
Nah, give up. Always have
Just
faith,
know
cause
say I
faith
live
move
with that
mountains. Yeah.
Faith move mountain, man, and we have a lot of faith, and we give thanks and we thank God the Almighty, because you don't know, every donors there's a blessing and they're well protected, so Father God not gonna make you suffer.
Yeah.
You know, He's not gonna make you go through that for too long. Cause Him say it's not a good sight, you know. So
You shall overcome.
so all viewers and all donors gonna be safe out there, you know, because them say this thing is serious, you know, Martin and Nana, you know, as two
big up Auntie
donors.
Nana.
Yeah,
Speedy recovery for the two owners.
of course. So there are two victims of this COVID-19. So wishing all the best and hope it will never ever happen to any other donors out there, because we don't want to face this time of pandemics right now, because it's really serious. You know, so blessings to all. Them say wearing a mask. Baby now have on fear. I want to just put it down because I catch her half guard. Prefect. Oh, I might take feeling time back pocket.
Yes. So we have be safe.
Yeah.
Because we may sometimes see we are not it, but we know we are
Yeah.
so we not run a joke with it.
Yeah, no.
So we just try to be safe. Likewise, you know. Just want to stay safe.
Yeah.
Because trust me, it may more dread that we're under there than where we there still.
Yeah.
So that no mean we not use the precaution. We ask Uno to stay as safe as we can.
Yeah.
That's we can soon. The donuts. So just stay safe.
Every time.
And make the good Lord do the rest for you.
Yeah. Every
Max.
time, man. Give
Why
thanks.
Max so out of order coming out?
Max.
Dream team.
Dream team, dog.
Max.
One team.
Max, stay safe too, you know. Wear your mask. You're Max. Alright, then prefect, baby.
Alright.
And God bless you all. Yeah.
Thanks for donuts.
Yeah, Martin and Deborah, God bless you
up.
every time. Stay safe.
Watch out now, you see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kira Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.